All right.
The hold music plays for the rest of the ride, which makes this video kind of hard to hear. I'll be recording voiceovers with captions to replace the audio as needed. So as we come over the hill, we notice that the route is trying to avoid some kind of vehicle that's parked in the road outside of a construction site down 17th Street. It's some kind of tow truck or other construction vehicle. So let's see if we can change the route so that we can drive through that area. The robot takes an awkward trajectory here because the destination update came in after it had already set up to make a right turn. With a new destination, it needs to go straight through the intersection. Now it's more clear that these are not emergency vehicles. They're just vehicles from the construction site with very obnoxious lights. And it looks like they're just doing some late night deliveries to the construction area.
Oh, all right.
Well, that was a very violent and sudden reroute. Definitely a last minute decision by the vehicle. And I guess we're going to try to go back. It looks like we're still going to try to drop me off on the other side of the street that we just tried to bypass. So if the goal was to avoid that construction scene, well, we're still going to encounter it again. Well, I guess this is a good pullover spot in isolation because we are not getting into the bike lane, so cyclists can still pass us. But we're not considering the context of the fact that there is a car blocking the oncoming lane, and maybe if a car needed to get around us, they wouldn't have enough room to squeeze through. Oh, oh, well, oh, it looks like this person made it through, so maybe that's fine. I'm going to change the destination again to see if we can come back to this location from the other direction. Okay, so I guess we're a hard no on going through that street. And the route has updated now, and this time we're actually not going to pass through that intersection again, which is reasonable, I guess. And now we've been on hold for so long that the hold music has changed from classical music to some kind of elevator pop music.
let's just go home.